Start. Wow, I'm Huggins. Today, I am assigned CNC here in Jinan, China. They are the best in the world in producing CNC machinery for carpentry, metals, cutting. I think if anyone wants the best in the world, come to sign CNC. They're the best in robotic system, cutting and wooden machines. Welcome, welcome, welcome. See you.
My name is Charles. I'm from Nigeria. I'm assigned CNC factory here in China. I've gone around the factory and I found that they have good quality, workable machineries that is adaptable for we Nigerians and Africans. So I will advise that most of you who needs machines can come around and then make a pick. The machines are awesome and wonderful.